Bye, good luck. Hey guys, just arrived here in Puerto Princesa, just got our bags, and now we have to figure out how to get to El Nido. When you first step out of the airport, you can immediately find various vans that are going to El Nido. It costs 600 pesos per person, and you have to wait until the van is full before you leave. Luckily, our van filled up right away, and we were able to leave within minutes. You can take a public bus for a little cheaper, but keep in mind you still have to take a taxi to the bus station, and the bus also takes longer to get there. In the van, it only took us about 6 hours to get to El Nido. Good morning, it's a gorgeous day here in El Nido. We got in kind of late last night, so we didn't have time to book a tour for today. So today I think we're just going to rent a moped and explore some of the beaches around the area. The place we're staying at is called Rodriguez Lodge. It was only $35 a night, which is kind of more than we usually pay, but I guess El Nido has a little bit higher prices, and the room is actually well worth it. I'll give you guys a room tour real quick. Okay, so this is our room. It's already kind of messy. It is huge. I don't know why we have 3 beds. We booked it kind of last minute, so I think that's why they gave us this room closet area. We have a nice view of the limestone cliffs over here. And the bathroom actually has a standard Western shower with a door. Time for the beach! Our first stop was Nacpan Beach, a 45-minute drive away from El Nido, but well worth it because it's beautiful. We got there kind of early and barely anyone was there. Now we are at Las Cabanas Beach. This beach is supposed to be the best place to see sunset, and there's also a zip line that we might check out. Don't know if you could see, but the zip line will go from up here all the way to that island right there. This beach is a little busier, but it has a bunch of really chill restaurants and bars along with sand to hang out at. So we decided to do the zip lining. It was $500 per person for one way. I'm actually really nervous because I've never done a zip line before, but it looks really fun, so I'm excited. Actually a lot of fun. I don't know why I was so nervous in the beginning. Jake, who's done a bunch of ziplining before, actually said it was the most beautiful zipline he's ever done. We even bought the photo, which was only 200 pesos. Now because we didn't buy the return ticket, we have to figure out how to get back to the main beach because we zipline onto this island right here. It looks like it gets kind of shallow over there and we could just kind of walk across. Definitely need to do more ziplines in the future. guys, today we are going on a tour. We decided to pick Tour A, which includes Small Lagoon, Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, Shimizu Island, and 7 Commando Beach, so 5 places. Tour A is definitely the most popular tour here in El Nido, so I'm kind of worried there's going to be a lot of people, but it's supposed to be the most beautiful, so I'm really excited about that. The weather isn't looking too great either. There's supposed to be a chance of showers, but either way, I think we're gonna have a great time. The price of Tour A is usually 1,200 pesos, but we got this tour for only 1,000 pesos, and that includes the environmental fee of 200 and the snorkel and lunch and everything like that. This tour that we booked also includes the kayaks, which is a big deal because kayak rentals usually start around 300 and you rent them at the lagoon. So I'm really looking forward to this tour. It's gonna be cool to see something different with the lagoons and stuff. Just hoping for the best with the weather. Here we go. Okay, now we're back from the tour. Overall, I really enjoyed it. I think the scenery was gorgeous. It would have been even better if it was a sunny day, and the sun eventually did come out in the end, and when the sun shined, the water was just bright blue and so beautiful. So I definitely recommend to check the weather forecast before you go and try to go on the day that is most sunny. Another thing is if your tour says it does include free kayaks, there's probably only one kayak between 20 people, so you have to take turns, which isn't a big deal. A lot of people ended up renting kayaks anyways, so only a few people were sharing the free kayak and you got it for like 15 minutes at a time, which wasn't bad at all, enough time to get in there and take your pictures. Overall, I really did like the tour. Tour A was a lot of fun, very pretty. I'd recommend it. Right now we're gonna clean up, get some dinner, and then get some rest because tomorrow we're waking up early and going to Karud. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.